Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal: peel back the tape that covers the front speaker and left speaker connections on the system board. Disconnect the front speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right speaker to the top cover. Lift the right speaker off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove both speakers. Replacement: place the right front speaker onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Important: ensure that the two rubber isolators are properly seated between the right front speaker and screw standoffs. Replace the two 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the right front speaker to the top cover. Connect the front speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Replace the tape that covers the front speaker and left speaker connections on the system board.